Hey guys, it's Lucas and today we're back with another video. Yes, I know I haven't posted in like 2 days about the thing. So first, before we get into our main topic, but you kind of see what we are doing an unboxing. I'll have a look at the thumbnail. So, part 3 of the dragon unboxing thing. Here's the dragons combined and yeah. But okay, actually, for the intro. Hey guys, it's Lucas and today we're back with another video. Today, I have 4 things we're going to be unboxing. They're Rocket League mystery bulb things. I got these at my local Dollarama. So yeah. Got 4 of them. This is one of them, so I'm going to have 3 other ones. So yeah, let's get in. Okay, so we got the first one unraveled. These are so cool, guys. So, I think it's the soccer ball. I play this game. Okay, you got this big. Who do you think it's gonna be? No way. No way. First one, we got the rare. Wait, let's see what one this is. First off the bat, we got a rare Octane. Okay. With the code, but I don't want to reveal it. So yeah, first off, we got this. Let's see it. Kiss. Now that we did it, now let's unbox the other. Guys. Okay. But before we do this, I just want you guys to make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss an awesome upload like these. Let's get back into it. I'll make a better review of the Dragon Toy tomorrow, guys. Alright, who did I get? And we got... it doesn't want to budge, guys. I gotta use my inner strength. How? Just how? How are we getting these awesome ones? Got the code with it. Now, which one did we get? Did we get the super rare? Came with another code. The 4 codes, I will show it to everybody. I'll give one. Oh, I'll give. So how are we getting these good ones? If I get another good one, I'm just going to scream. Cause yeah, like how are we getting these awesome ones? Like, is today a lucky day? Today, secretly day of luck. Okay, I just know, I feel the cold. I'll be giving away these codes now. I'll do it in a separate video. We just get a regular one. Guys, Actually, no. This is... See, no code. This one's just a regular one, guys. Sorry if I got you all hyped. But we got the Merc. This is so cool. Oh yeah, I forgot for a super rare one, I think. You forgot to pick me. But seriously, go, guys. If I get one more these rare super rares, I will legit give away the code in a separate video. I may not, I might not. But this is why I tell you guys to turn on notifications. Because sometimes I might do giveaways like these. You could win free Rocket League items and yeah. So if you ever get these, make sure for a thing made of home. So guys, we got a duo. Okay, so I might give this code away. So look, we got two of the same super. Let's see super rares, guys. You do not have. I said I was gonna stream, so. And I got the code. I might give it away. I might not. Just remember. Turn on notifications and you might not miss the code. So guys, before we go, got to have the moist. But guys, that's gonna wrap it up for today's video. Now, so guys, make sure to like, subscribe, turn on notifications, so you might not miss the code. I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.